Hey beauties! I'm literally shaking my ass, but you guys cannot see it, sorry. So welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, from the title, you guys know what we are going to be doing today. You guys already know from the thumbnail and the title, you know what's about to go down. I'll be showing you guys how to revive your old braids, knotless braids, Senegalese twists, regular box braids, all the braids you can think of, to this beautiful crisscross hairstyle. And guys, I didn't use rubber band for this hairstyle. That's this side. So if you want to see how I was able to do it without the rubber band, you should definitely keep on watching. And if you also want to try it out, please do. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you even waiting for? What are you even waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old returning subscriber, thank you for always passing through. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also make sure that you share it as well. All right, so with that being said, I'll just leave you guys to watch the tutorial, and I'll catch you guys up in my next one. Bye. So I've had this braids on for 3 weeks now, and my scalp looks really gross right now. I have a little bit of growth right here, yeah, and I've got dandruff as well, so it's making my scalp itch a little bit. But we are going to fix it. I'm going to section the front side. This is where we are going to be making our crisscross braids in front. Yeah, like so. So all these braids, I'm going to take them out. Yeah, so I'm going to take all these braids out and refresh the front side, and then the back we are going to be using some spirit and cotton wool to wipe off the excess dirt and dandruff. That should resolve the problem, because I'm not done rocking it and I'm not ready to take them off now. So let's get to work, guys. And I don't really want to cut my real hair, so I'm just going to cut like around the side. Yeah, I'll just take these two first. I'm done taking off the braids, and this is how my hair is looking like right now. Please excuse the background noises, guys. It's so loud. My neighbors are around and they're talking too much. I'm just going to use this brush to detangle my hair. And then I'm going to hop in the shower and wash my hair and condition it as well. And then when I come back, we'll start the crisscross style at the front here. And after washing and conditioning my hair, I went ahead to blow dry my hair and making sure to get rid of all the water in my hair, and then move straight to parting my hair. So I did a straight parting in the middle, and then I went to the side to get that one as well. Now we are going to be making cubes and braid them as well. I'll be using this eco styler on my roots. I've had this eco styler for so long, and I feel like when braiding, this particular brand works for me. It doesn't really lay my edges, but when I use it to braid, it comes out really nice. And I wasn't really looking for the fact that I'll braid and then have some flakes at the root of my hair. That's disgusting. So that is why I use the eco styler. So when braiding, you don't have to braid all the way down because you end up unraveling some of them, if you understand what I'm saying. So once that is done, I moved ahead to the next one and repeated the same process by applying the eco styler at the root before I began braiding. So here, watch carefully how I'm doing it. So you see I'm crossing it to the next braid behind me. Yes, so that is what will give it the crisscross effect without us using the rubber band. So I begin braiding that one a few times, and then I pick the hair from the front and join it at the back. Once I'm done with the crisscross, I'll be using this rubber band to hold the two braids together, and I'll be doing it all around. This side is optional, guys. You can leave it to hang on yourself, but I wasn't really feeling it, so that is why I added the rubber band. Once I'm done with this, I'll move ahead to start adding the extensions at the tip of the braids, and yeah, that'll be it for this style. With adding the extension, I used the knotless method here because I wanted the hair to lay flat and not look bumpy at the root. So that is why I use this method, and it worked really well. Once that is done, I then moved ahead to apply the spirit using my cotton wool on my roots, or let's say scalp, trying to get as much dirt as I can from there. And since I'm refreshing these braids, I wanted to give it a new look. I went ahead to make the tip curly, that's doing the water curls. It wasn't really the tight curls, the curls were actually loose. So I did that by braiding the hair, like joining some of the braids together and then braiding it. I sectioned my hair into three, and then I did the braids. And once I was done, I dipped them in hot water, really hot water, and I let it sit on me for 3 hours to dry completely before I unravel them. When dipping your hair in hot water, please make sure you don't burn yourself. I beg you.
At this stage, we were done with all the process, and you can see from my scalp how my hair looks really nice, and this is how the tip also came out, really gorgeous. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Until my next video, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye, loves.